Hello and welcome back to Ins Electronics. So recently I picked up all these items from the trash. Yes, literally from the trash because one day a guy came to my house asking for some old plastics and papers and I gave him what I had. And when he was sorting through all of that stuff, I just had a look at his cycle trolley and I found a bag full of electronic junk. Most of them are just computer waste like HDMI cables, VGA cables, old keyboards, monitors, like that kind of stuff. So I just asked him, "Can I have a look at what else is inside?" And he happily agreed. So I just had a go at all of his stuff, and I found these three items as interesting because most of the other items are just useless junk. Some of them are plastic lights, the rechargeable type, and some emergency lights. I will say 75 to 80% of them are computer based itself, like old cables, broken keyboards, broken uh, like webcams and other things. And I found only these three items as interesting. And I paid for these three items. He has a very reasonable price, very low, very reasonable price for these three items, and I paid it. And I got all these items for free. So let me just go through all of these items right now, and I will make a separate video for each of these items. Let's try to repair it if it is not working. And I think these three items are not working, and hence that's the reason why most of the times these end up in the trash. So let's try to make these things work, but that will be in a different video. In this episode, let me just go through all the things that I bought. First of all, this is a brand new, still in the box, new old stock figure of 8 cable. I paid nothing for this one. It's just the old type. I'm not sure, the camera is not focusing, but it's the figure of 8 type connector. Yeah, there you go. It's the old type figure of 8 type connector. It's still in the box, it's still sealed, not opened and used. It's a very old item by the looks of it, very old model. And that is one item. This is another item that I paid for. No, I got it for free. I paid only for these three. This is another item I got for free. This is the ballast, the electronic ballast from a tube light. I already noticed the capacitor is blown here, but there are other things that can be salvaged from it, and that's why I picked up this one. And here is another item that I picked up for free. This is a Bluetooth speaker, and if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you guys can probably recognize this item because I have one exactly similar unit with me, and I made some videos, I think probably a couple of videos related to this particular item alone, like modifying the speakers and improving the sound quality, checking the inside and all other things. So this is the exact same model that I got once again. Ooh, there is some connections in here, like two wires. Right now I'm noticing this one, but anyway, this is another item that I got for free. Let's see how the inside look like in this one. So these are the three items, and this is another item that I picked up for free. This is the FM and music system. You can see this is non-Bluetooth, just FM and USB. The transformer is missing, the AC code is missing. So there's the amplifier, looks like a CD6283. This is the amp section with the bass, treble and volume control. There is no top. So let's see what we can do with this, if it's possible to make it work. So that's all about the items that I got for free. This much items I got for free, and as I said, he asked a very low, very reasonable price for these three items, and I paid for it. And the first item is this one, and just by looking at it you can see it's completely dirty and it's full of dust. Perhaps it's not working, that's the reason why it's thrown out. And it's a mantra chanter. I have a separate item. I repaired a separate type of this same product. You can watch that video in my channel, but this is a much different version than that. So this is a 36 in 1 mantra chanter. There's nothing on this side. It's very dirty, by the way. So that is that. And these two are the things that I'm mostly interested in. This is a Samcon FM radio, and this one is not in such a bad shape. For the price I paid for it, this is absolutely in perfect condition. And I think the reason why this is thrown out is because most probably this is because it's an AC device. It's operated, it's mains operated device. You can see the AC code right there. So perhaps the transformer has gone bad, and that's the reason why. If this is not turning on, that's the reason, and maybe that's the reason why it's thrown out. I'm not sure, I haven't opened this thing yet. So this is the rear side and this is the front portion. It looks really nice. It's not in a bad shape by any means. So in a detailed video we will see what is wrong with it and if it's fixable, whether it's the issue with the transformer or something else. And this is another set. This is made by Deltron. This is made by Samcon. This is made by Deltron. Again, similar item, FM radio, and also not in such a bad shape, just some dust and dirt here and there, you can see. And there is something moving inside here, and also the screws are missing. Perhaps let's take a quick look. Nope, it's not coming out. Anyway, let's make separate video for all these items, checking whether it's worth repairing or why it's not focusing. Focus, yeah. So let's make separate video for all of these items to see whether it's worth repairing and what's inside, and to see whether it's worth the money that I paid for. I hope I can fix these two items, because most of the time the transformer is the one thing that goes bad in these items, and that's why they are thrown out, because these are AC operated. And if the transformer is that thing that is bad in these things, it's very easy repair them. Otherwise we need to look at what's wrong. But anyway, on this item also I'm interested to see what these two wires are doing inside the speaker. Considering this is a very cheap speaker, I don't think somebody used it as an external speaker for something else, but we'll see. So these are the items. Focus, yeah. So these are the items that I bought from the scrap, and some items I got for free. So I just wanted to share with you this video, and yeah, see you with a detailed video of all these items in a later episodes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you with another video.